Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the font size on Telegram for Android. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone and open the Telegram app. Once inside, you'll land on the main screen where you can see your chats menu. Step 2. Now look to the top left of your screen. You'll spot 3 horizontal lines stacked together. This is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. Next, find and tap on the Settings option from the menu. Step 4. After that, scroll and locate the Chat Settings option. Tap on it to continue. Step 5. Finally, look for the Message Text Size option. You'll see a slider to adjust the font size. Move the slider to your preferred size and instantly change the font size on Telegram for a more comfortable reading experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips. Thanks for watching.